Welcome to LexTalk World Talk Show presented by Clickaway Creators. Today we are at Singapore conference at RAMADA Zhongshan Park, and I have one of our someone who has been supporting LexTalk right from day one, Mr. Dr. Gopalakrishnan Balakrishnan. So thank you so much for joining us once again.
Thank you. It's a pleasure. First and foremost is that you have chosen a city which is very dear to me, that is Singapore. And if I'm not taking much time, Singapore to me, right from the early 90s, I've been coming here. And in the year 2005, 2006, I had some international arbitration. So I was here almost every weekend. And, at the time, we were flying, corporate flying was with Jet Airways, and, they had a good time in getting business class tickets, So coming back, now I've come back to Singapore after 2017 was my last visit. So when it is said Singapore, I didn't feel anything like that, because it is as good as my another city which I love and like, and therefore, I came, and, I like this city, the people, and everything is fearless, and, we can stay comfortably in a hotel and everything. So coming back to my association with LexTalk is concerned, first and foremost is that, I started in the year 2021 after the pandemic, when I got an invite saying that, LexTalk is conducting a conference and an award function in the city of Dubai. And I was also, for about 2 years, travel was restricted, and therefore, I made my application, I was selected, and then the rest is history. I went there, and that time it was, I had taken only one shot and the vaccine. And it was all smooth, and I liked the way it was conducted, and the way the number of participants and the participants from various strata of the society was coming there, and how it was conducted. And therefore in 2022 also, I was again in Dubai for the same, and the third time I'm here in 2022, that is by the end of this November. And here today morning when we started, the presence of a lot of local people who are in law was wonderful. That is what we want. Last time also I told that, we have to have a mingling of local people, and, it's not that we import everybody from India and say the same thing at a remote place, because it has to be, we are come here to learn from the local laws and, how it is conducted in local law. So that mix is very interesting, and that makes me very, very attentive to all the sessions which are going on, because in each of the panel there is a person who is from the local community. And I was tempted to sponsor, because when I got a call whether I'm ready to sponsor, I was tempted to sponsor. I didn't think twice, because the people are known to me, and it's like a family. So immediately I sponsored it, and to the extent of possible. And I'm not saying I'm a major sponsor, but to the extent it is possible. And the way it is conducted, and I think I will be associated with this LexTalk for a long time to come, and I wish it all success. And we need to improve in the sense, what is the improvement which we need is, one great improvement we have done, that is bringing the local people. And therefore, in the next time, I think, even if it is conducted in XYZ place, Indians, the local people, and from an international experts, from a third country has to be brought in, so that, it should become the most sought after conferences where, people want to come and learn and not for fun. So that is what we want to do. And learning, as far as a lawyer is concerned, or a compliance officer is concerned, or as an academician is concerned, what we need is learning. We learn till the end of our life, say, as far as, the famous quote by Fali Nariman in India is, as far as Indian lawyers are concerned, they don't die, they just drop dead. They don't retire, they just drop dead. And that is why every time I come here to learn something. It's not that I come to visit a place and I sit there and, after some time I'm going, I'm collecting an award and going. That's not it. So learning is the process, and that learning process, we should give an impression that whatever whoever attends this conference has something to learn and a takeaway. So with this, I in my words, and I wish the function success, and I also congratulate all the award winners, and let's hope that next year, it will be done in a much bigger scale by inviting international experts also. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. I appreciate it.